What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play I've Been Waiting by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm really excited to finally announce that I'm officially doing the first round of giveaways that I'm doing for the channel. I'm going to be doing monthly drawings for different guitar-related prizes and accessories and merchandise, and then I'm going to do one grand prize drawing for someone who's going to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. So stick around to the end of the video. It's very simple to enter. I'll get into all the details there. Any of you guys can enter to win any of the prizes. We'll get into all that at the end of the video, so stick around for that. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning. You will have a capo on the first fret. I'm going to show you the chords for the song, but also the picking pattern that starts in the beginning. We will start there. So with the capo on the first fret, your index is going to be on your 5th fret of your B string and your E string. And you're going to start out by just alternating picking between those two for a count of 7. And you start with your B string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Use your ring finger to pluck the 7th fret on your B string. Then you're using your index finger on the 5th fret of your E string. Ring finger, 8th fret of your B string. 7th fret B string. 8th fret B string. So slowly that's going to look like this. I'll do that one more time slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. From here, you're going to put your middle finger on your G string on your 7th fret, and then put that index finger back on the 5th fret of your E string. And you're going to alternate pick those the same way you did the B and the E string in the beginning. So 7 counts starting with the G string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then use your ring finger on the 8th fret of your B string for that other note that's just kind of like a pluck and pause. And then you're going middle finger, 7th fret E string, ring finger, 8th fret B string, index finger, 5th fret B string, back to ring finger, 8th fret B string. So slowly that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. Again, slowly, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pause. So all together slowly, the picking part looks like this. So the picking part does go throughout the entire song. I will show you the chords and how to strum through those if you want to just strum the chords through the song. 4 chords, they're going to be, you're starting with a C, ring finger 3rd fret A string, middle finger 2nd fret D string, index finger 1st fret B string. Then you're going to a D, index finger 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, middle finger 2nd fret E string. B minor, you're barring your 2nd fret. You're putting your ring finger 4th fret D string, pinky finger 4th fret G string, middle finger 3rd fret B string. And then finally E minor, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. Now your strumming pattern for the song is a simple down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. It looks like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now I'm going to jump straight into the giveaway stuff. Again, to reiterate, I'm starting the official giveaways that I'm doing for this channel, with the grand prize being a brand new acoustic guitar, with secondary prizes being a guitar accessories kit. And then also I'm going to be giving away some merchandise as well. I'm starting to roll some of that out here soon. Shirts, hats, all that kind of stuff. Those will be parts of the giveaway as well. So to enter for the giveaway, there's only 4 simple steps that you need to do. Subscribe, turn on notifications, make sure you click thumbs up, like this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section below with a song that you would like me to teach you. So the way the giveaway is going to work is that each month I'm going to pick 2 winners, one for the guitar accessories bundle and one for the merch bundle, and then I'll pick the grand prize winner for the brand new acoustic guitar when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. So the faster that we get to 50,000 subscribers, the faster we will get to the grand prize drawing. So make sure you enter. You're not going to want to miss out on any of these prizes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is here on the screen now. I'm always posting stories, behind the scenes stuff, pictures. It's a good way to get in contact with me. Don't forget about the free ebook that's in the description. It will always be free on the channel. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. There's a link down there for you guys, and make sure you go grab that. Enter the contest. I'm super excited to be doing this for you guys. We'll see you in the next video.